I'm going to ask you the next question.
Ooh.
You have $100,000 and you can invest in one publicly traded company. What company do you choose and why?
Oh my goodness. You know what? That's a good question.
Well, first of all, we never do that, right? Because that's like putting all of your eggs in one basket.
Yeah, but that's a very good point. Let's clarify this. You should never buy only one single stock. That's really bad. None of you should be buying stocks unless you're maxed out in your 401k and IRA before. That'd
be like, so the reason we say that is look at what, and I don't know what the age demographic is of our audience. So this may age me, but look at what happened with Enron. All of those people had all of their retirement stuck into the Enron stock. And then when it went bust, everyone lost their entire retirement plan.
Yeah. There's a lot of airline employees that do that stuff, the stock purchase programs. And then when those airlines bankrupt, like Eastern or Northwest, and gone. Nothing. We diversify. We do your 401k first, then your IRA, then you can start doing all these other investments. But let's get back to the question that we've told them don't do this. If this is just what would you do? Yeah, we'll play what would you do? And I'm going to ask you, so start thinking. This is easy for me. I'm a big tech investor, and I only like to buy companies I would consider holding for 5 to 10 years. Okay? That's what you should be doing, a 10-year stock. So considering a 10-year stock, technology, Microsoft all day long, 100,000. Oh, man,
you stole my answer.
Well, it's the easiest answer.
Yeah.
It's the answer I've been telling the group. I've told the group this for like 4 or 5 years, and a bunch of them made money off of that, by the way.
Yeah.
Multiple. Now, a lot of people would jump at Amazon. I would do that as well. I'm more concerned about Amazon and the federal government in the future, breaking them up. So the servers are one place, the store's another place. Microsoft's already been through the federal ringer as I'm sitting here in front of the nation's capital on video. They've already been through the whole thing, which is why they missed out on the smartphone era. So they were late in that game and never had a chance. But Microsoft all day long.
Yeah.
No problem.
And Amazon took a dip this week. Well, everything took a dip.
Yeah, Microsoft took a little dip too. But Microsoft still, long term, stock indexes always go up. Remember that, guys. I know Dave Portnoy says stocks always go up. That's not true. That depends.
That's not something I would say always about.
No. Now, indexes always go up. Indexes
over time.
Because it's containing all the stocks in there. Overall, it always goes up. Over time, correct. All right.